Hello, I'm Irene Kosik-Thompson. I represent Ukraine. I'm going to show you the art form of Pysanky today. It starts out with some basic tools that you need. A kiska, which is generally a wooden dowel with a little bit of copper wire around a little funnel. So this is the tool I use for drawing my design. And we have a cake of beeswax, blackened beeswax, a candle, and dyes. That's basically what you need in order to do this art form. This is an ancient art form that started over 2,000 years ago. So we're going to begin by using a raw chicken egg or a duck egg or a goose egg. So the pattern I'm going to show you today is this pattern basically. So I've started with a raw egg and I've drawn my pattern on with a pencil just so that I could get it divided equally. And the kiska is like a writing tool. So I'm going to dip it in the wax. Anything you cover with wax will seal that color. All these black lines here is the blackened wax. So now I'll draw this line. And it just flows like an ink pen, and it's immediately dry. And so when I'm finished with this pattern, I'll finish the egg off with additional designs. When I'm completed with this design, I'll dip it in the pink dye, and when I remove it, it'll be colored beautifully pink. This process actually takes over 6 to 8 hours to make one egg. So I've dipped it in the wax. Now I'm going to draw some little pussy willow designs on here. When I'm finished with drawing whatever I want on this egg, covering everything that I want pink, I will dip it into the black dye. Once I've dipped it in the dye, I have it covered all in black. Now is the time I remove it, and this is the most fun part. When I've completed my dyeing and design drawing on the egg, I'll remove the wax, and that's done with lighter fluid because it works real well. Traditionally they put it in the oven and let it kind of melt the wax off, but sometimes it would scorch the egg. So here you see me taking the wax off. Now this egg is still raw in here, so I'll blow the egg when I'm finished. So you can see the pattern come forward, and this is the exciting part. You've spent 8 hours making an egg, or 10 hours, and then this is the result, and it's just exciting to see this. And it seems like an art form that would make you really stressed and all, but it doesn't. I spend hours working on this, and to me it's very relaxing. Put on a little music and work on an egg. So here is the completed egg, and this is how it started out, and this is how it looks finished.